Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to install social fish using custom links and color image machine. So let's start it. First open any browser and go to search ChatGPT. Go to this first link and type this prompt. I'll be give this prompt on description below. I'll be type this prompt. Write a demo generate email from HTML with include a button. Yes, this temp Gmail design has been launched. I copy this prompt and I can search it. Make this code to HTML view with included button. I will be highlight the forget button on HTML code. Here it is the code to generate ChatGPT. I'll be copy this code and create a one test.html file. And paste the code. Now it is our web page demo version. We will be using ChatGPT prompt to use. Yes, it's working successfully. Here is the code. Will be replaced on our custom link to click on google.com. We will replace it. Now open any browser and search social fish on GitHub. Here is the first link. We will click it. Copy this link and open an again terminal. Type this command git clone. Paste this link. hit enter. After that, your project has been cloned on your system. Now ls command, go to this social fish directory. Here it is the file. Now it can be execute format on chmod +x to executable on this file. After that, you can be click dot slash social fish. Here it is the tool. There are many tools in this here. I will be use 06 number tool. It is been Google. Here it is the port. I will be default port 8080 to hit enter. Here it is the custom link generated. I will be copy it and go to our HTML file to replace on google.com to this link. And save it. Then we go to and click it. Here it is. It will be show email address, forget it email address or password. I will be type test@gmail.com and hit that password. It is just testing. Redirect on Google address. Then we go to the terminal. You can see it. Here it is our password and it is Gmail to collect. Thanks for watching. To subscribe to my channel. Thank you.